Question 1. What is Amazon Aurora? The correct answer is B, MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible database. Question 2. Which database engines does Aurora support? The correct answer is C, MySQL and PostgreSQL. Question 3. How much faster is Aurora than standard MySQL? The correct answer is C, 5x. Question 4. How much faster is Aurora than standard PostgreSQL? The correct answer is B, 3x. Question 5. What is Aurora storage architecture? The correct answer is B, distributed, self-healing. Question 6. How many copies of data does Aurora maintain? The correct answer is C, 6 copies. Question 7. Across how many OSes does Aurora replicate? The correct answer is C, 3 OSes. Question 8. What is the maximum Aurora storage size? The correct answer is B, 128 terabytes. Question 9. Does Aurora storage auto-scale? The correct answer is B, yes, in 10 gigabytes increments. Question 10. What is an Aurora cluster? The correct answer is B, primary and replicas. Question 11. What is an Aurora replica? The correct answer is B, read replica. Question 12. How many Aurora replicas are supported? The correct answer is C, 15. Question 13. What is Aurora replica lag? The correct answer is B, milliseconds. Question 14. What is Aurora failover time? The correct answer is C, 30 seconds. Question 15. What is Aurora Serverless? The correct answer is B, auto-scaling database. Question 16. What is Aurora Serverless v2? The correct answer is B, instant scaling version. Question 17. What is Aurora Global Database? The correct answer is B, multi-region replication. Question 18. How many secondary regions in Aurora Global? The correct answer is C, 5. Question 19. What is Aurora Global Database lag? The correct answer is B, less than 1 second. Question 20. What is Aurora Multimaster? The correct answer is B, multiple write nodes. Question 21. What is Aurora Backtrack? The correct answer is B, rewind database in time. Question 22. Is Backtrack available for PostgreSQL? The correct answer is A, no, MySQL only. Question 23. What is Aurora cloning? The correct answer is B, fast copy on write clone. Question 24. What is Aurora parallel query? The correct answer is B, parallel analytical query. Question 25. What is Aurora machine learning? The correct answer is B, SQL ML predictions. Question 26. Which ML services integrate with Aurora? The correct answer is C, SageMaker and Comprehend. Question 27. What is Aurora custom endpoint? The correct answer is B, user-defined endpoint. Question 28. What is the cluster endpoint? The correct answer is B, write endpoint. Question 29. What is the reader endpoint? The correct answer is B, load balanced read endpoint. Question 30. Does Aurora support encryption? The correct answer is B, yes, at rest and in transit. Question 31. What encryption does Aurora use? The correct answer is B, ICE 256. Question 32. Can you encrypt existing Aurora database? The correct answer is A, no, only at creation. Question 33. What is Aurora automated backup retention? The correct answer is B, 1 to 35 days. Question 34. Does Aurora support manual snapshots? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 35. What is Aurora backup storage? The correct answer is B, S3. Question 36. Does Aurora support cross-region snapshots? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 37. What is Aurora database activity streams? The correct answer is B, real-time audit stream. Question 38. What is Aurora Performance Insights? The correct answer is B, Database Performance Monitoring. Question 39. What is Aurora Enhanced Monitoring? The correct answer is B, OS Level Metrics. Question 40. Does Aurora support IAM authentication? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 41. What is Aurora Zero-Downtime patching? The correct answer is B, patch without downtime. Question 42. What is Aurora instance class? The correct answer is B, compute instance type. Question 43. Does Aurora support Graviton? The correct answer is B, yes, Graviton 2 and Graviton 3. Question 44. What is Aurora I/O optimized? The correct answer is B, predictable I/O pricing. Question 45. What is Aurora pricing based on? The correct answer is B, instance plus storage plus I/O. Question 46. Does Aurora support reserved instances? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 47. What is Aurora blue/green deployment? The correct answer is B, safe deployment strategy. Question 48. Does Aurora support RDS proxy? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 49. What is Aurora connection pooling? The correct answer is B, manage connections efficiently. Question 50. Can Aurora integrate with Lambda? The correct answer is B, yes. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.